To configure a fixed bundle, start by opening the app from your Shopify dashboard. Next, navigate to the Bundle tab and click on it. You'll see a Create Bundle button. Go ahead and click that. Now, it's time to configure your bundle. Enter the name of your bundle. Set the bundle type to Fixed Bundle. Add the products you want included in the bundle. Set up the price for the entire bundle. Configure the bundle tag, and assign the appropriate shipping profile. Once everything is set, simply click Save to finish. And that's it. Your fixed bundle is ready to go.